In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video background in CapCut PC. If you want to replace a plain or distracting background with something more dynamic, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. CapCut PC makes the process very simple, and once you know where the tools are, you can do this in just a few moments. The goal is to place a new background video underneath your main subject clip, then remove the original background from the top clip so the new one shows through. To begin, stack your videos on the timeline. First, drag your new background video onto the timeline. This clip will sit on the lower track and act as the background for your final result. After that, drag your subject video directly above it on the track on top. This top clip should be the video that contains the person or object you want to keep visible. Lining the clips up this way is important because CapCut will use the top video as the main subject and the lower video as the replacement background. Once your clips are in place, the next step is to remove the old background from the top video. Click on your top clip so it is selected. Then go to the top right panel, choose Video and find the Cutout section. In that area, check Auto Cutout. CapCut will automatically detect your subject and erase the original background from the clip. As soon as that happens, the background video underneath will become visible. This is the key step that creates the effect. Depending on your footage, it can help to give CapCut a moment to finish processing. If the clip is clear and your subject stands out well from the background, the cutout usually looks much better. So if you want cleaner results, try using a subject video with good lighting and clear separation from the background. After the background has been removed, all that's left is to line everything up on screen. Use the corner handles in the preview window to resize your subject and place it wherever you want within the new video background. You can make yourself larger, smaller, or move to one side depending on the look you want. This is a good time to check that your framing feels balanced and natural. And that's it. Once your subject is positioned the way you like, your new video background is set up and ready to go.